Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to Less Dependent Wisconsin. It's a cooler day today, about 55 degrees. I'm kind of taking a break. I've been working hard in the yard the last 4 days or so. But I've got a product that I want to put together and test out, and it is the Greenworks 80V 16-inch cordless chainsaw. I've been really impressed with the rototiller, so I figured I'd try a smaller chainsaw. I've got a lot of smaller branches and stuff that I need to take care of. I purchased this model from walmart.com. This model did not include the battery or the charger, but I've already got one, so we're good there. So let's go get this thing out of the box, see what it takes to put it together, and see what it can do. Okay, and out of the box, this is what you get. The unit, we got the guide bar and the cover, we got the chain, the manual, and the tool to take everything apart. Oops. Well, actually brings me to my first point. So I was previewing the manual. Okay, so unpack the machine, add the bar and chain oil, install the battery. This part of the direction seems to look like no assembly are required. So it looks like I'm going to have to skip ahead a few pages to replace the guide bar and chain. Okay, so I'm going to start working on that right now, and we'll give you up. Okay, step one, remove that cover. It's pretty easy to do. The next step is putting the chain on the guide bar. It was a little difficult to untangle the chain out of the package, but I eventually got it, and it goes onto the bar real easy. So next step is we're going to attach it to the chainsaw. It was actually pretty easy to install. The back end of the chain goes around here, and then it was just a matter of getting it so everything's in place. Now we'll reattach the cover and then adjust the tension on the bar. Okay, after wrestling with this thing for about 10 minutes, I figured out what's going wrong. They've got the tension too tight already. And the reason being is this hole is supposed to fit over that right there, and right now it lines up right like that. So we're going to loosen the tension already just to get this on. So okay, so the cover's back on. Now that we got that figured out, we're going to adjust the tension. So I'm going to just tighten this up just a hair. Okay, so we got the chain adjusted correctly. So the unit is ready to go, with the exception of adding the bar oil. Now this does not come with it. You'd have to purchase this separately. But we're going to go ahead and fill that up. All right, I've added the bar oil. The manual says that'll last for about 20 to 40 minutes worth of operating time. So we'll keep an eye on that too. But now it's time to put a battery in it and get this thing started. So this is a branch we actually took down from a live tree just a few weekends ago, and this is going to be our test. To start the chainsaw, you're going to release the handguard. There's a button here, and then the trigger. that makes pretty quick work of 3 to 4 inch size branches. Pretty powerful. Just a quick battery check. Still on full battery, so I bet you can get a lot done with one full charge. But I like it so far. We've definitely got a lot of stuff that we can use with it. But anyways, I hope you liked the video, and focus on being less dependent. Okay, we'll see you soon.